Hello. If you're watching this, it's because you're interested in our handbook on institutions and complexity. I'm Eric Alston, a scholar in residence in the finance division at CU Boulder. And this handbook is co-edited with Lee Alston, an emeritus professor of economics from Indiana University, as well as Bernardo Mueller, an economics professor from the University of Brasilia. And we collected this volume because we think institutions that matter immensely actually can be better understood using the lens of complexity. Complexity often is used to evoke complexity theory or complexity science. And we view the broader bucket of complexity as containing important conceptual tools, which certainly can be formalized using mathematical techniques to provide a robust theory from which one can derive a variety of methods to pursue real-world questions, ranging from empirical causal inference to computer simulations. And so our book collects a range of scholars, law professors, economics professors, ranging across numerous disciplines, to consider what we can learn for institutional choice, as well as the historical emergence of institutions using the tools of complexity. And so these broad concepts that we deploy range from, Knightian uncertainty, non-ergodicity, coevolution, emergence, power laws, to name just a few of the concepts that the numerous authors in our volume bring to bear on questions of institutions writ large. This can range from institutional choice and design, as well as historical case studies of major episodes that are better understood through the application of concepts from complexity theory. And so our book ranges from pursuing how complexity can help us understand historical, economic, and social development, as well as particular micro case studies surrounding, questions of forestry management, questions of the design and emergence of cities, to name just a few of the topics that appear in our volume. But ultimately, our insight is one that complexity both gives rise to institutions writ large, simply in the sense that it's the very inability to foresee all downstream outcomes that leads to a need to govern in real time. So governance is, in effect, made inevitable due to the fact that any human society is existing within a much larger system over which any of those exercising governance authority have both an imperfect lens as well as, therefore, imperfect control. And so governance is made necessary by this very fact. But that has a deeper implication, which is those studying, as well as those directly designing, let alone sitting atop systems of governance defined by a particular institutional set. Our belief, our animating motive in assembling this volume is simply that better institutions are likely wrought through a better appreciation for the limits of institutional foresight and how we can actually better understand varying social outcomes across history by taking more than a few pages from the study of complexity theory. And so it's our hope that you'll come along with us and enjoy the range of illuminating perspectives that we have assembled into this volume. Thank you.